Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how much money I have made from my YouTube channel as a small content creator. So in this YouTube channel I mostly upload finance videos, whereas before I used to upload comedy videos, but now I have uploaded finance videos. So let me show you how much money I have made from this YouTube channel. Whereas you can see my total lifetime views is 979k, whereas I have published 32 videos, but in last 38 days I have uploaded 16 videos, whereas my views is 3.57k. So around that I have uploaded 21 shorts over here, and you can see one of the most highest views in short is 1.3k. So let me go you on channel analytics and I can show you. So you can see my total earning lifetime is $856.87, whereas in last 7 days I have earned only 0.91 cent. Following that, in last 28 days I have made $1.19. So you can see from the long and shorts I have made this much, whereas you can see my RPM is only 0.37, whereas in shorts my RPM is not showing over here. But let me go you on my shorts niche and let me show you. You can see I have got 1342 views over here, whereas my estimate revenue is 0.10 cent, whereas my RPM is $0.17. So you can see one of my highest views videos is around 200k. So just hold on a second, let me go back to my that video. So you can see one of my highest videos views is 281k, whereas my earning is 83.55 cent. Whereas but recently I have started uploading the finance news, and one of my highest views in finance news is 14 views. You can see over here. From this I have won only 0.005 cent. So this one is related to the German collapse. Whereas if you uploaded like how to make money in this niche, you probably make very good money. Whereas you can see how smart people will make money. So over here I have won from 14 views I have made 0.17 cents, which is around $10 per 1,000 views, which is pretty good. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks.